Hi guys, welcome back to Tiny Motors Guild. Today we are at the Pune Diecast meetup. It's 23rd of November 2025. Sunday है and we are at Some in Model Colony. So काफ़ी अच्छा turnout आया है. We have had more than 65 registrations. More than 65 people showed up for the event. चलिए देखते हैं कुछ interesting collections जो लोग अपने display पे या sale के लिए लेके आए. So we're actually at the tail end of the event. थोड़े बहुत लोग जा चुके हैं. I didn't really get the time to shoot a video before now, but आप लोगों को एक थोड़ा दिखा देता हूँ कि कितना crowded है actually event. So you can see there are a lot of people. More than 65 people have come for the event, guys. Really insane turnout. So first up we have Ashutosh. Hi Ashutosh. क्या लेके आए आज दिखाने के लिए?
So as you can see, there are majorly two packs, and out of which there are some old classics, the Fast and Furious one and the Bugatti one.
तो ये सब तो आपके कलेक्शन टूर वाले वीडियो में लोग देख चुके हैं. And all of these are for sale?
Yeah, these are for sale. People can grab it. There are many things. Indian things are also there. 2023 card. Those are at MRP.
Very nice.
But the main attraction for today is the McLaren Chase.
The Chase. So ये आपकी Silhouette series के कार्ड की है. This is the non-Chase and right here is the Chase.
So yeah.
Very nice. तो ये आपने of course import करा होगा ना?
Yeah.
कितने की पड़ी if you don't mind me asking?
Almost at MSRP. Only through friend and all.
अच्छा through friend. Okay. So what approximately 700.
700, 800.
Really good deal, right? And बाकी भी आपके पास कुछ Matchbox है. I see the Majorette.
There's a variety of Matchbox. There's Majorette. There's Mini GT.
All of it is for sale?
Yeah, except the chases. Everything is up for grab.
Except for the Chase. Okay, brilliant. Chalo, thank you so much, Ashutosh. Next up we have Nikhil. Nikhil?
Yeah, my name is Nikhil.
Yeah. And what have you got to show us today?
So the special for today is my 56th anniversary set, with including the chase car, Dodge.
Ah, you got the Chase. Very nice.
Yeah.
So, सारा MRP पे लिया था?
Yeah,
पूरा set?
all on the MRP.
Very good. So 179 is the MRP, guys,
Yeah,
if you are not aware.
Yeah.
And I see you've got a bunch of interesting Matchboxes as well. Matchbox, Majorette. Matchbox का देखो मेन लाइन में कितना अच्छा वैरायटी है गाइस. These look very interesting. What are they?
These are the Indian black gems. This one is from that.
Okay. And how much do these cost?
This was 150.
150. Oh, very nice. So it's cheaper than a Hot Wheels. And build quality वगैरह देख सकते हो. Decent ही है. Detail वगैरह भी अच्छे हैं. And they're actually quite a bit heavier than your normal main line. उसके अलावा you also got these main lines and this diorama mat looks very nice. So कहाँ से लिया diorama mat?
Velox.
Velox side.
Velox,
Okay.
yeah.
I've recommended these guys on my Instagram as well. So I'll attach a handle. बहुत ही बढ़िया ये diorama mat है and at a very good price. And these are all the main lines. I can see Cadillac Hypercar है, you've got the Merc, the Jaguar. Chiron कौन सी make है? वो जो blue and black
It's a
वाली?
Burago.
Oh, it's a Burago. Oh,
with the
very
double
pretty.
doors.
Very pretty. That is very nice. बहुत ही बढ़िया है. And कितने की पड़ी थी ये?
Yeah, 550.
550. Okay.
Yeah, last diecast meet में लिया था.
अच्छा. Okay. अच्छा जो
Yeah,
PNK में
Kothurud
वाला.
वाला.
Got it.
And this one is the Majorette with the
Majorette.
level part, Range Rover Evoque.
Oh, very nice यार. बहुत ही सुंदर है ये. ये भी तुम्हारी 400 रुपए की रेंज वाली होगी ना?
Yeah, all on MRP, nothing.
Very nice. That is a very good practice कि आप MRP पे ही लो. Don't overpay. And yeah, that's a very good collection. And he's joined by his wife. So hello. Yeah. Chalo. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nikhil. Next up, we've got Jatin and this sort of joint venture display. So क्या लाया हो Jatin दिखाने के लिए?
So today's theme is hypercars.
Okay.
So these are from Mini GT and Hot Wheels.
Okay. So I can see the 499p जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग पीछे पड़े हैं पागल है उसके.
And I had some for sale, but
Okay, you had some for sale, but nobody bought.
no,
Why do you think?
I don't know.
Don't know.
I had a
Okay.
reasonable price.
Reasonable price. Okay, so these are all
This is the special
imported, and yeah, this is the Chase. So guys, ये इंडिया में बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम लोगों के पास है. इसका रीसेल का मार्केट आप छोड़ ही दो. But yeah, this is insane stuff. Congratulations, Jatin, on finding this.
I actually got this from Microcars.
Microcars Kolkata, yeah.
Full case.
Right. So he's a reliable seller. मैं उनका Facebook का link description में डाल दूँगा. And apart from that, what else? So you got these Mini GTs. So I can see there's a Cadillac.
Two Cadillacs.
Two Cadillacs,
One
okay.
Acura, one BMW, one Porsche. Lamborghini, Ferrari,
Ferrari.
and this is the different casting.
Okay.
It's,
And that one
it's a
is?
concept car.
Concept car.
Yeah, Volkswagen IDR.
Okay. Brilliant stuff, man. Brilliant stuff.
And this is the goodie bag.
Goodie bag. हाँ. So entry fees हमारी 400 rupees थी event की. What are your thoughts on it?
It's reasonable.
Reasonable,
Yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
including a
You
beverage.
get a car and coffee. What else do you
Yeah,
need?
and we tried to give licensed cars as much as we could, so hopefully people didn't feel ripped off.
Yeah.
Next up, we have this from Kaustubh. So hi Kaustubh.
Hello.
Hello. He has a page on Instagram by the name of Collectibles Garage HQ, and he's got some interesting stuff to display. क्या क्या लायो?
So I bought this Tarmac Works Mercedes Senna edition.
Okay.
And this one is actually Gulf. It is a treasure. It's a chase car actually.
Chase car. Oh.
Yeah. So
Very
it has
nice.
This card as well.
Uh-huh.
This is the Para 64 Fortuner.
Okay.
And
64 Fortuner.
yeah, this is the Jada Toys Fast and Furious Dom's home.
हाँ हाँ. अरे बहुत सुंदर है ये. क्या स्केल में होंगे ये गाड़ियाँ?
I think it's around 1:128.
120. Oh.
Yeah.
And ये हाउस वगैरह का ऐसे किट आता है क्या? ये डिस्प्ले
पूरा
का
kit
जो
आता है.
किट आता
There
है?
is one box. We
Very
can keep
pretty.
box as it is.
अच्छा. बहुत सुंदर है यार. इसमें डिटेलिंग काफी अच्छा है.
Yeah, even cars are on metal cars.
Metal cars.
Yeah.
Metal on metal?
No, I guess only the body is
Okay,
metal.
body is metal, base is plastic.
Plastic.
And क्या रेंज आती है अप्रॉक्स ये इतने छोटे कार्स की?
I guess this one is for these three cars are around 1200.
Okay, so 400 per car basically.
No. There is actually these two cars are come with the set,
Okay.
and there are three separate cars.
Acha.
One is inside my bag.
Okay,
So
okay.
these are around 1200.
Okay.
Three cars set.
Very
Yeah.
decent price, I guess.
Yeah.
And you're an FNF fan, it seems.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Costa.
Yeah. And there is also another.
Acha,
This,
oh, there's these also. Sorry.
this is the limited edition Mac Dodge Charger.
Dodge Charger. I think ये उदयन एक कोई मीट में ऐसा सिमिलर लेके आया है.
हाँ.
जो हमारा इसमें हुआ था ना रफ्तार जो गो कार्टिंग ट्रैक पे. हाँ, वहाँ पे वो सेम ये लेके आया था. And oh, I almost missed this one. This is the M3 GTR, and this is by MJ model, right?
Yeah.
Right. So I've recently got this for myself as well. Stay tuned for the video coming on the channel.
Yeah, and this one is same model, McLaren Senna.
Okay.
This is red and white.
Very pretty, very pretty. I've not tried CM model cars before. How are they in your opinion?
Yeah, they are good actually.
Good?
As a collectible,
Right,
not
right.
for play on the.
Yeah. And how much did that cost you approximately?
This one around 2300.
2300. And the MJ model also approximately that same range, right?
2200.
2300. Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much, Costa. Thank you. So we actually missed a few 1:24 models, but hopefully there will be some photos in the meetup later on. Hello. But yeah. Okay, so next up we have Arya.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. What have you got to show us?
I've got the Porsche lineup.
All the Porsches. So I think most of these we've seen in the previous meetup video.
The new few are here. This is the 959 from Tarmac Works.
The red one.
Yes, the red one.
Okay.
Few I didn't bring last time were these Ferrari
Okay. These are all
Tomica premiums.
Okay, Tomica Premium. And what is the range for these Ferraris basically? क्या cost के आते हैं?
I have seen them from 800 to 1200, but 1000,
Is the average.
800 to 1000 is the average.
Okay. And I see there are a few nice Tarmacs as well.
Tarmacs, yes. These
So I
were
can
also
see-
there last time. Yes,
Yeah,
you
last
can
time
see.
we were there. No, I've seen this. I think we've seen these. And then I can see there are a few more interesting ones. These are also Tomicas?
Tomica premiums, yes.
Okay, so opening parts.
Opening parts, and this also has a suspension.
Very pretty, very pretty.
And this has a openable. So it's a
वेरी नाइस यार, बहुत सुंदर है ये. एंड ये भी सेम रेंज के 1000 के आसपास है या ज़्यादा है?
1000 के आसपास मैंने बहुत एक्सपेंसिव लिए, बट 1000 के आसपास मिल जाता है. मैंने एक्सपेंसिव.
ओके. एंड आई कैन सी कि ये यहाँ पे थोड़े F1 के भी है. दीज आर ऑल मिनी जीटीज, राइट? सो
Yes, this is a mini
दिस वन आई मेड अ वीडियो ऑन ये वाली पे.
Yes.
एंड ये आपकी क्यूब कार है. दिस इज एक्चुअली समथिंग दैट आई गॉट टू डिस्प्ले, बट टाइम नहीं मिला मुझे भी डिस्प्ले करने का. उसके अलावा देयर आर फ्यू मोर मिनी जीटीज. सो दीज आर ऑल टॉप सीक्रेट इफ आई एम
Yes,
नॉट रॉन्ग.
yes. All top secret.
Your R32, R34, Silvia and Supra. We've got a few more. Here's the Nimble right here, the most hyped mini GT in recent times. उसके अलावा wheel side आपकी ये, which one is this? Z. Nissan
This is a Z. This is a tarmac work, and this is a mini G.
so this is the golden chrome mini GT Nissan Z. Very pretty है. बहुत सुंदर finish है उसका. इसके अलावा this is the Countach Liberty Walk 720S. Aventador also Liberty Walk. Tarmac Works. Mercedes आपकी पिछले मीटअप पे थी, and this is also a new one, right?
Yes, this is a very recent.
Yeah, 720s. Yeah,
I am a
very nice. Yeah, बहुत ही सुंदर collection लायो, and these are very nice mats. Mats again from Velox itself.
Velox itself.
So I think they are the go-to for a lot of us. Okay. Chalo, thank you so much, Arya, for.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for arranging this.
Yeah, thank you. Hello. So next up we've got your name.
Shardul.
Shardul. Okay. So what have you got to show us, Shardul?
Today I bought a Daytona collection.
Daytona collection. Okay. So walk us through it. Okay. So I can see there are a lot of Daytonas over here. Some old mainlines, some of them are new. And you've been collecting for how long?
6 to 7 years.
6 to 7 years. Okay. So yeah, these are some insane Daytonas, and you've got these all like what MRP pe?
Self-import.
Self-import. Oh, very nice. And I can see there are a few team transport hauler type ones as well. These are very nice. What make are they? M2. M2. Wow, very pretty. And yeah, just an insane number of Daytonas right here, guys. सारे तो मैं आपको नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा, but just going through them very quickly. But yeah, very nice. And this right here is his Instagram. You can go check it out. Miniature frame. And yeah, thank you so much, Shardul. This is your personal one, right? Okay. So this is his personal Instagram, and that is his diecast generated one. Next up, we've got
Asim.
Asim. Hi, Asim.
Hi. So basically today I'm here on behalf of my friend Vishal from Scale Arts.
Oh.
But as a collector, I collect MotoGP bikes and
Okay.
super bikes.
Okay.
So I've been collecting from 2009.
Ah.
These are a few models. This is one of Kawasaki's only MotoGP bike to ever exist.
Oh.
After which they quit MotoGP. This is Valentino Rossi's rally car.
Ah.
Then this is Valentino Rossi's 1997 championship winning 250cc bike.
Okay.
And this is a Ducati 998.
Okay.
This is a WSBK winning Ducati 998 from 1998. So this was ridden by Carl Fogarty, if I'm not wrong. I'm a bit
Right.
easy. My memory is a bit easy. So I've been collecting motorcycles and I have all Valentino Rossi bikes except for 2 test bikes.
Okay.
Right from 1995 to 2021 till the
Okay.
time he retired.
Okay.
And almost all of his cars as well. So that's basically what I collect. And today
Achha.
I was here on behalf of Scale Arts.
Yeah,
Is,
so these guys are a very reputable name in the business. You can get your castings from here at MRP. And yeah, just insane collection. What scale are these, if you don't mind?
This is 1:12.
1:12?
This is 1:12.
Okay.
This is 1:18.
Okay.
And that's 18.
Okay, 1:18, 1:18, 1:12. Okay. And these are for sale, right?
Yeah, these
ones?
all are for sale.
At MRP, of course.
All
given
at
Scale
MRP,
Arts.
yep, at MRP.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much for coming to the meetup.
Thank you. It
How
was
did you
amazing.
find the experience so
Really
far?
good, really good. Food was nice as well.
Food was nice?
Food was really nice.
Good to know,
Yeah,
good to
food,
know.
yeah. And good people.
Yes.
Amazing. We'll be back for sure.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Thoughts on the entry fees?
It's fine. चलेगा.
fine, चलेगा.
उतना चलेगा. फुकट में कुछ नहीं मिलता.
फोकट में कुछ नहीं मिलता, बट हाँ, बट 400 आपको लगा वर्थ है या ज़्यादा लगा, कैसा है? मतलब
I can talk off camera on this.
ऑफ कैमरा ऑन दिस. ओके,
No comments. Online.
ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you. And finally we have Rohit, who is now regular at these meetups. Hello.
Hello.
How was the experience?
Unfortunately, I came as always very late towards the end of it. But yeah, I mean, it's good to see more and more people now coming forward and showing us their collections, because we know it's not easy to transport all these cars, right, to meetups and everything. So really glad that people are coming out and showing us their collections now. Want to talk about it, want to show it to the whole world. And it just helps kickstart the journey for a lot of new people as well.
Yeah, we get to see different perspectives, different collections, all different stories. Right?
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely.
Brilliant stuff. And had a good experience, good time?
Absolutely, yeah. The drinks are good, the cars are good. So why
Okay,
not?
awesome. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for organizing this one.
Yes, no problem. So we're just wrapping up, guys. I hope आप लोगों को थोड़ा एक idea आ गया of what the meetup was all about, and I hope that everyone who attended had a good time. I hope आप लोग को वीडियो जो देख रहे हो उन लोगों को भी मज़ा आया. Thank you so very much for watching. Take care, and I hope to see a few of you in the next meetups. Cheers.